Yo, alright, so we back. As you seen on the last video I just dropped, I showcased how I just purchased a brand new Honda Rebel 500. I was putting in endless time trying to figure out which exhaust is better, which one sounds better, which one's the better price, which one looks the best. And after going through every video, listening to every video, I came across the Vance Hines setup, and everybody just kept saying Vance Hines, Vance Hines, Vance Hines. Went on the website RevZilla, they were the only ones that were able to ship it out instantly as soon as you buy it. I just got the bike on Friday, ordered it Friday afternoon. Here it is, Monday morning, and I just got that notification that the exhaust has been delivered. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go pick it up now, bring it back to the house. I'm gonna show myself putting it on the bike. I'm gonna give y'all a sound test, how the bike sound with the stock exhaust on it, and then I'm gonna show y'all how it sound with the new Vance Hines exhaust on it. All right, so stay tuned.
So basically, all you need to set up this exhaust on your bike, you're gonna need a 12mm socket, you're gonna need your 10mm socket, you're gonna need a 6mm Allen wrench, and a 4mm Allen wrench. You have all of those, you'll be totally fine. Alright, so I'm about to start the bike right now while the stock exhaust is on, and I'm gonna show y'all what it sounds like. First thing first, we're gonna remove this bolt to loosen this clamp so then we can remove it off of this bracket right here and just pull the whole thing off. For this part, you're gonna need your 12mm sockets right underneath here. Make sure it's all the way loose because you're taking the whole clamp off. You're not gonna reuse the clamp. So again, you're gonna need your 12mm socket to take this bracket off the whole bike. So then from there, you're just gonna pull the whole exhaust off. Honestly, from there, you can just loosen it and remove it by hand. At this point, we're just gonna remove it off. See, a lot of people have trouble with this bike. They say this is the hardest part because they had trouble taking it off. But honestly, look, it came off that easy. Dog, this exhaust is heavy as hell. I could only imagine how light the bike feel without it right now. I kinda wanna start the bike up right now. I think that's what I'm about to do, just to see what it sounds like. Nah, bro, the straight pipe sound crazy. I ain't even gonna lie. I kinda wanna keep it up there, but I already spent the money on the exhaust. Look at the side by side, bro. And like I said, the stock exhaust was a good 12, 14 pounds. This Vance Hines don't even feel anything over 8 pounds, bro. All right, so for this part, I'm putting on gloves. A lot of people online said when they did it without any gloves, they got fingerprints, like the oil from their hands show fingerprints on the exhaust. Once the exhaust got hot enough after starting the bike up, it burned their fingerprints into the exhaust. And I wanna keep it as clean as possible. Alright, so just for now, I'm just gonna film myself putting it together just so everybody know how to piece it off. So this is definitely your bracket to go on the bike. Go on your bike like that. And here's your clamp you come with. Like I said, when you took the clamp off the original exhaust, you're not gonna reuse it. It come with its own. And so let me piece this together and then I'm gonna show you how to install it on the bike.
Hey, yo, KJ made that shit again.
So from here, everything should be all set. Everything should be tight and firm. One thing you want to look for on this part, once you start it up, let it run for a little bit, just make sure nothing leaks out. If so, that means your clamp ain't on tight enough, or that means that the exhaust isn't fit the way it needs to be fit.